Wisconsin for like 2 weeks, and we've been busy.
We're sorry about that. We apologize, but here we are. We borrowed Trailmater's All Blues tow truck. We're gonna go get a motor for my buggy down in South Junction with Mike Nappy with R&B 4x4. He's got a motor for my buggy that will fit in it, and Mike's gonna come along and we're gonna try to record all of this so we can get the buggy tomorrow.
Mudbog tomorrow.
Mud races in Monticello, Utah. So I'm gonna try to swap the motor out before tomorrow.
Yeah, 8 o'clock tomorrow. We gotta be on the road.
8 o'clock tomorrow. We gotta be on the road. Takes about an hour to Monticello. So I want to have it loaded on the trailer tonight and all ready to go, so we don't have to do the whole run around in the morning. Well, you know how it goes. That always happens. Run around last minute. So we're headed to Maverick, grab some drinks, gas, then head out.
All right, so here we are at the junkyard doing junkyard stuff. No, we're not at a junkyard.
No, we're here at
RMB 4x4.
Yeah.
And Shawn's gonna get us a motor to put in his buggy.
This is the motor we're gonna put in the buggy. It's just a Chevy Vortec, and Mike didn't need anything else out of it, so we're gonna junkyard pull it. Snip, cut. We got Sawzall. I brought all the tools to like unbolt everything, but we'll just.
That seems silly.
Let's cut everything out. Be easy. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, we got this.
So it's got one there, and there should be one in theory back there. So it should be just. Yeah.
All right. Stay tuned. Here we go.
We got the big cherry picker here.
Yeah.
The big one.
What is this? These wires look important.
Here, cut that one.
Man, we need
Maybe
for Pioneer Day.
That's funny. I put out a fire on Pioneer Day too.
He put out multiple.
It had
fires.
nothing to do with the fireworks I was lighting.
Right? Exactly. I said, hey, we need Rory's fire truck. We're not putting this guy back on the road. It's these big snips.
Unless you want it.
I don't want no stinking wires.
You don't want no
Yeah.
wiring harness?
Okay, go. See ya. Okay, we're getting down to the meat of it.
One more.
Where is it?
In the back on the block. Alright, so I guess we gotta try to figure out how to pick it. I was trying to get back there in the corner, but just wrap it around this bracket right here. I should pick it. Right?
All right.
In theory? Or no?
Yeah, sure. Let's do that. What's up, dog? We need to drop the boom out.
Harry, what's your plan?
I don't know. It's not. We brought a chain to pull the motor out, but it don't have no hooks. So we'll figure this out.
I'm gonna take one of these.
Hang on, Mike.
Bingo.
Yeah.
I either sawzall this whole section out or take the hood off or both. It's up to you.
I think the hood is easier.
Right. Gives you more room to see anyway.
We got multiple sawzalls if we have to.
We need more sunshine in our life, you know? Let's get rid of more shade and make it hotter out.
Yeah, okay. You know, you're not wrong.
That's right. That's why I have this refreshing iced tea. For all the sunshine.
Now we can fly off when the wind picks up and take on something else real quick.
Oh yeah, let's do that. and then it's ready to be reinstalled.
That's fine.
When you take the motor out,
Perfect.
nobody will even know that the motor is gone.
Right?
Hey, did you know that there's a transmission on the back of this thing?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Really? That's
Not
what
even kidding.
That you're trying to get out with the motor?
I mean,
we're gonna have to now.
Well, then that core support's definitely going to be in the way.
That'll be
Interesting.
the Chevy.
But-
Bros
Unless
will
you're just
really-
going to wrap a chain to the crank and come vertically straight out. That works too sometimes.
like a fish.
We're going to do some things. We're going to like some things.
Like a fish.
Like a fish, he said it's going to come out.
just need more vertical height, that's all.
Dude, not the good ones, don't you? Keep going. I don't know. Bolt's in there. Yeah, we're starting to flex things. It's on you. It's all you boys.
That's,
I'm not happy
where's
with
that
that
wrench?
bolt.
Scalpel. Scalpel. Left-handed look good.
She's, I think maybe some shift linkage or something back here. Freedom!
Yeah, look at that.
Up and away?
Drive her home.
Forward?
Yeah. Go, 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 go! Faster! Or slow. Okay.
Yeah, you broke this too.
Oh, Mike did that. Mike? We got the motor out. Me and Mike and everybody was
Yeah, and lots of help.
lots of help. Or, yeah, they were entertaining us. But anyway, what time is it? How long did it take us to get this out?
Look at what time it was.
Yeah.
It's out. We're headed back to shop. Thanks for watching.
So you're gonna tie it down? You're just gonna run it?
No, we'll put a strap or two or something on it. We take care of our customers at R&B 4x4.
Especially the non-paying ones.
Yeah, we roll the red carpet out.
We rolled the red carpet.
The not greasy one.
They're not greasy ones. They're really nice carpet. Is this red carpet the tranny fluid that's all over the ground? Or?
That is it.
What is this thing made of?
Oh yeah.
Violence! Violence is the answer.
What's happening in here?
Just filling this back up with all the parts we pulled off of the motor. So it's not like all scattered and messy. So we're gonna pull the transmission off, raise the motor, suck it in, head back in the lab, and put that one in my buggy. So it should be a direct fit. I don't know. We'll see. We're fighting it right now. Mikey got hungry and got a hot dog. Mike made hot dogs, I guess. So.
All right, well.
All right, we got her. She is free and clear of most obstructions. So we're going to pick it up a little bit, ratchet it to the back of the truck, go back and do it all over again, but the other way.
Opposite. Reverse the dismount.
Yeah. So here goes. All right, here's Shawn.
Oh yeah.
We got almost everything off of this one.
Yeah. Motor mount and throttle body and water temperature sensor right there.
Okay.
And then yeet out. Oh yeah. As soon as we'll set it out there, we'll pull this intake and that oil filter adapter. Because the other one broke.
It looks different anyway.
Different. So we'll pull this adapter off, put it on that one. Pull my fuel lines. And then put new motor in. Fire up. Whop, whop, whop. I should leave the manifolds off. Or the exhaust.
I've seen a car start on fire like that once.
At a mud bog?
It was in a mud truck.
Yeah.
We were running it off of a can of gas, like right here on the ground, and then there was like a fuel line that went up to the carburetor. And then we didn't have any exhaust on it, and it was like really cool. It was like barking fire everywhere, and then it started out on fire. And it was a mad dash for fire extinguishers.
Yeah, dude. I can see that. I can see that. Maybe I should put exhaust on.
Whatever, you do you.
But anyway.
So yeah, what time is it? It's like 3:30? I think so.
One motor mount. Alright, now how are we gonna do this? Let me stando. Got topo axle.
Ta-da! Victory!
Victory, victory! So now I can pull this and that. And no, that one still has the flywheel on it. We'll leave that other flywheel on it.
Don't say flywheel, say flex plate.
Oh,
the internet hates when you do that.
The flywheel flex plate.
Ooh, there you go. Yeah.
This one's kind of haggard a little. See that? Keep it kind of chewed up right there. But anyway, there's an adapter in here that you just put a screw onto it instead of a
Whatever.
cooler. Remember they had the one that had the two lines?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there it is. How to pull a motor in 15 minutes and put one in and pull another one.
Shoot, in this video, it might even be shorter than that.
Yeah. So yeah, let's pull these off and make sure they go right back where they go. Not right there.
Looks good down there.
Does it?
No. Well, I mean, depends what you're looking at, I guess.
You right.
So here we are. We got the motor mounts in, we got the trans bolted up, torque converters attached,
Attached.
and now intake and all the rest of the stuff.
Front pulley system, radiator, wiring, and test run. Yeah.
Easy. And it's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock. So it's coming along.
Yeah.
We're almost there.
In other news, I went and got the trailer we're going to use tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
And
We got the truck, trailer, got it all filled up, and what else?
that's it.
Just got to get a cooler, canopy, chairs, and $50 in cash. That's what the entry fee is for the mud run.
Don't call it an entry fee, call it a donation.
A donation. Donations. Because we're not going to win.
Yeah, there's some pretty stout competition, and
They don't mess around down there. They're serious.
yeah, we don't stand a whole lot of a chance.
They're probably going to put me, I don't know what they're going to put me in. There's a lot of classes. Tires, big factor in it. Might have to go with the
We'll be playing with the big boys.
big boys, like the superchargers, turbo, whatever they run out there.
Whatever, we'll play anyway.
I might be the same way because I got links,
Yeah,
front and rear,
modified suspension.
modified suspension, like I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. 9
Yeah,
o'clock.
we'll let you know. It's alive!
Is that first start?
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't. We just barely finally got.
Like you just crank it over and it starts.
Yeah.
I don't even like this.
Yeah,
Why? What I do?
That's not how this works.
Oh.
yeah. Don't you know?
That's not how motor swapping 101 works.
You gotta sit there and crank it. And then
Well, you
scratch
gotta
your
crank
head.
it's gotta be 180 out.
Oh yeah.
You gotta.
Right.
What's he shooting?
I don't know. There's a bunch of oil over here though.
Whoa, a lot of oil. Uh-oh. I think you're something near your oil filter.
Oh, does it have a remote oil filter?
No.
Probably that. No, it did, and then I took my adapter out. I must have left the gasket in there or something.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's alive!
It's alive! No knocking. This one is the old motor.
Yeah. And it's still light outside.
It's still light out. What time is it?
Almost dark.
Where's my phone? $8:30.
All right.
So 11:30 to 8:30. In, out, back on.
2 outs, 1 in.
2 outs, 1 in, and went all the way to LaSalle Junction and picked up the motor. I call that a win.
Yeah. We're gonna try it. We're gonna go to the mud bugs.
Yeah. We're going to the mud races tomorrow and we'll see how it does. I blew this,
Yeah, what happened with the oil thing?
they have an oil filter adapter right here.
Yeah, like 2 bolts go up into there.
Yeah, and your oil filter screws onto it. So the bolt I put in, I used the impact and did too many ugga-dugga on it and didn't realize it, but it blew the gasket out. That's what all that oil is, but we fixed it. I fixed it. I figured I knew what it was. I was like, oh man. But it works now. Look.
Look! Ta-da! it's not even leaking right now.
Yeah. We got oil pressure, RPMs. RPMs are off.
Uh-oh.
You saw the new timing on it. This is just
Oh, radiator.
so yeah, that's it.
Some minor things.
Turbo's probably off.
Better now. Do a burner! You like it?
Yeah, unlock that hub. Let's go run it down the road.
All right.
There's a little road right here.
Oh, look at this.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it seems happy.
Now we can throw the hood on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we should check the engine oil level.
Should look over a few things. But whatever. It's alive.
It's a lot. We'll go over some stuff and then put on a trailer and call it a night.
Yeah.
Be ready for tomorrow.